Hydration, not just about water.
Staying hydrated is essential for health, but water isn't your only source. Many people wonder whether foods can help meet daily fluid needs. Certain foods contain a surprising amount of water and can contribute to your overall hydration. Let's explore which foods help keep you hydrated and separate the facts from the myths.
Water-rich foods that hydrate.
Fruits and vegetables are some of the best choices for food-based hydration. Foods like cucumbers, lettuce, watermelon, strawberries, and celery can be over 90% water by weight. Eating these regularly can significantly boost your daily fluid intake, making them a valuable part of staying hydrated throughout the day.
Surprising sources: dairy and soups.
If you eat protein-based foods, their natural antioxidant isn't also rich. Even though you may not think of these as hydrating, they count toward your daily hydration needs.
Foods that don't contribute much.
Not all foods help with hydration. Dry processed snacks like crackers, chips, and pastries are low in water and shouldn't be relied on for fluid intake. Likewise, foods with high salt or sugar content can actually make you thirstier by pulling water out of your cells.
Making hydration easier.
Combining water-rich foods with regular water intake is the best way to stay hydrated. Don't forget that factors like weather, activity, and age can affect your hydration needs. Choose a variety of fruits, vegetables, dairy, and soups to help meet your goals. And remember, water itself remains essential.